If you've opened ChatGPT and seen the message that your account has been flagged for potential abuse, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, what usually causes it, and what you should do right away to give your account the best chance of recovering normally. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it can be solved without anything complicated. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's get into it. Step 1 is to stop activity immediately. If the account has been flagged, the worst thing you can do is keep retrying over and over, or keep sending requests while the warning is active. That can make the restriction worse and make the system think suspicious behavior is continuing. Instead, pause and wait. In many cases, waiting 24 to 48 hours is the safest first move. This gives the system time to clear temporary flags and reduces the chance of further restriction. So before you do anything else, stop using the account aggressively and give it some time. Step 2 is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. A VPN is one of the most common reasons an account gets flagged, because unusual IP changes, shared networks, or location switching can look suspicious to the platform. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely. Also avoid browser proxies or any network masking tools while you try to recover access. Use your normal internet connection from a stable device and a regular network. If you're on mobile data or a home connection, stick with that for now. This simple change solves the issue for a lot of users because it removes one of the biggest triggers for abuse detection. Step 3 is to secure your account. Even if you think nothing is wrong, it's a good idea to treat this like a security check. Start by changing your password to something strong and unique. Then log out of all devices so you can make sure there isn't another browser, phone, or session still using the account. After that, log back in again using your main device and continue only with normal behavior. This helps reset your account sessions and make sure there aren't any unusual sign-ins causing the problem. If you use the same password on other services, this is also a good time to update those too, just to keep everything secure. Step 4 is to contact support if the issue doesn't go away. To do that, open your profile in ChatGPT, click on Help, and then choose Report a Bug. Fill in the form clearly and explain exactly what happened. Mention that your account has been flagged for potential abuse, that you have already stopped activity, turned off any VPN or proxy, and secured your account. The clearer you are, the easier it is for support to review your case. After you submit the report, you'll need to wait for their response. Sometimes the fix is automatic, and sometimes support needs to review the account manually. While you wait, avoid making repeated attempts, because that can create more delays. A few extra tips can also help. First, use a normal browser session and clear anything unusual like temporary extensions if needed. Second, avoid switching devices or networks too often during the recovery period. Third, if your account was connected to a shared workplace, school, or public network, try a private and stable connection instead. And fourth, be patient. These flags are often temporary, especially if they were triggered by network behavior rather than anything serious. So to recap, if your ChatGPT account has been flagged for potential abuse, first, stop activity and wait 24 to 48 hours, then turn off any VPN or proxy, secure your account by changing your password and logging out everywhere, and finally, contact support through Help and report a bug if the issue continues. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.